In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see loin de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about loin de. And the preposition loin de translates to far from in English. So we will see 4 examples with loin de. Il habite loin de la ville. Il habite loin de la ville. Loin de moi l'idée de te critiquer. Loin de moi l'idée de te critiquer. Cette plage est loin de l'hôtel. Cette plage est loin de l'hôtel. Loin de là, j'admire ton courage. Loin de là, j'admire ton courage.